Welcome back to Tech After Dark. In today's video, second part series, we're going to be installing the 1TB 980 Pro into the PS5. So we'll just put this off to the side. We'll just use this nice little handy stand for now. So what we're gonna look at, so there's actually four corners here, right? On the CD case here in the front, you wanna go corner to corner. So this side here, you wanna lift up and slide to the left. So we're just gonna take PS5 here, and we're just gonna be popping this up and sliding to the left. So CD drive, top corner. So let's just pop up and slide off. Very easy. The first time I did this just to check out things, it was a little more tough, but just pull it up and slide to the left and it should just pop right up. So we'll just put this off to the side here. And right from the get-go here, so you'll see here there's a little screw, and well, funny enough, we'll actually just take out my heatsink screwdriver, as it is the same size. So we'll just take the little screwdriver, provide it with the heatsink, and this is just a small Phillips screwdriver. Pretty standard stuff. So we'll just twist off with this one. Pretty tight as it is brand new. And just like that, a nice little screw. We'll just put it off to the side on a little handy case or base. And from here, it will just pop out. So there'll be a hook. And from here you have a 30, 42, 60, 80, and 110. And we'll be using the 2280 SSD, as that one's pretty standard. I don't know why you use other ones, but I think it's nice to have sometimes. So we'll just put this right there, and we'll use our screwdriver again just to unscrew the 110. So brand new, it's a little tight screw. We're just gonna unscrew this one. And you don't want to drop screw in here, you'll use it forever. So we'll just put this off to the side, and we'll just take the stand off, and we'll place it in the 2280. Crucial detail, you need a standoff just so it doesn't screw up if it gets statically charged or anything. So we'll just put that off to the 180 there from the 110. So from here, you'll want to take your heatsink, okay? And we're just gonna plug it in. So we'll see the ridges there off to the side. We'll take the little connection point and we'll just insert it in. Just like that. And you'll hear a little click almost. Perfect. And we're just gonna get the normal screw here with a screwdriver. It just snugly fits, like just barely, just perfect. And we're just gonna put the screw back in place, just like that. Perfect. And this is perfectly in place. And take the plate, put this back on. Screw back. Just tighten it up enough as I should. And just like that, we've installed it. And we'll just take the plate, we'll position it right where the CD drive is, and we'll slide and click. Take the screw out. Let's go like that. Perfect. And we'll just flip her around just so we can screw it. Okay. Just gotta make do with what you have. So the new revision has a nice twist on, while this one you still need a tool. So just like that. That's tightened up enough. It's not going anywhere. Just like that. So we'll hook this up and we will format this SSD to work on the PS5. So now I can finally install Call of Duty Warzone. So that will probably take up 25% of my SSD. And I can install everything else. So that's how you install the 980 Pro by Samsung into a PS5. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.